Guys, welcome to my video, and we will be showing you how to make this egg float. So let's start. So first you will need egg, spoon, water na bate, and salt. So first you'll get about 10 teaspoons of salt, I think. So actually no, it's just 5. And once you add in the salt, you will mix it for about 2 minutes. It's really white. Whoa. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it was actually just 3 teaspoons, but I'll just make it 5. Now you need to put the egg inside the water and it should float. And there you have it, a floating egg. Does make sense. Should I drink this or no?